all the ladies know what guys talk about. You know, fine thing like. Check it out. Ooh, that dress so scandalous, and you know another nigga couldn't handle it. So you're shaking that thing like, who's the issue?
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl LexUpNext, and I'm back with another video. It's a new year. It is a new year. It is now 2022, and this is going to be my first video I'm recording this year. Yeah, but I don't know if I'm gonna post this video first or I'm gonna post a vlog first, because I'm supposed to be going out of town, and this is me getting ready to go out of town. I don't know if I'm gonna post that vlog or I'm gonna post this video first, but either way it go, it's 2022. It's lit. We in here, period. I don't know if I'm ready, but we here. Okay, so I just wanted to get that out before I start the video. So I'm just about to install a wig. So today I got sponsored by another hair company. Y'all know this is my goal. My ultimate goal of YouTube is to get sponsored by hair companies, because I just like wigs and I like doing my hair and just looking cute. And when somebody want to sponsor me to promote their company, I just love it here. Like, I just love it. I got sponsored to promote this wig, and I'm just happy. I'm really happy that I got a chance to promote another wig. So let's just hop right into the video. Let me hop right into the company and everything. Let me go to the oh, my ears hurting in this bunny, y'all. I had to put this bunny on because I look crazy. I got my wig braids already up under here, and I'm gonna do all the prepping off camera. So I'm gonna already have my wig cap glued down and everything like that. So all I gotta do is come on here and just put on the wig. But I just had to come in and do the intro first, and let me tell y'all about this wig. Okay, so this hair company is an Amazon hair company. It is called YINXI hair. Y'all know they be having weird names how they that they be naming their companies, but it's YINXI hair. YINXI hair. YINXI hair. I guess that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, so this is a water wave lace front wig, 13x4 Brazilian virgin human hair, 10A grade, 100% unprocessed human hair wigs, deep curly pre-plucked hairline with baby hair, 20-inch lace front wig, 150% density, natural color. Yeah, that's a lot. That's the name of the title on you know how they have the title for Amazon. That's the name of the title, and I'm gonna just put the link to this exact wig in the description below. Yeah, so let's just get right into it. So the hair itself came in, let me show y'all the box real quick. The hair itself came in this box right here, and it don't even say they company name on there. It just say high quality hair made in China. And so, and then the wig itself came in this bag, and of course it's 20 inches. And before I show y'all the wig, let me show y'all what else the box, came with in the box. So it came with these lashes. They always want to put these little cheap lashes in a, you know how they do. So yeah, and then it came with this like hair stocking net thingy that I know I won't be using. And then it came with this right here. It looks like a journal or something. I'm gonna go ahead and open it on camera because I want to know what this is. I don't know what this is. It says princess, and oh, cute. I could probably use this at work to show my clients their makeup. I don't know. It's a mirror. Yeah, it's just a mirror. That's cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this out the way. So this is the wig. It looked longer than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know why I was thinking it was gonna be shorter, but I'm glad it is longer because I didn't want it to be that short. But yeah, it comes with a hairnet. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off, and it comes with the little 1-2-1-2. And this is the hair. It's just really curly. It's really cute. I like the curl pattern. And then it's a lace front. So this is the lace, and there's the hairline. Yep, it's not really a full hairline. That's good. because you don't have to do too much plucking. And then there go the little baby hair, I guess they said. Yeah. So this is the wig. Really cute. Okay. So what I'm gonna do off camera is I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots. I'm gonna tint the lace, and yeah, I'm gonna put on my wig cap. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all of that, and I'm gonna be right back. All right, y'all. So let me move this out the frame. So I got my wig cap on. This is as good as it's gonna get. Where's my alcohol? So now I'm just about to clean around the perimeter of my hair again.
This thing right here is letting all the ladies know what guys talk about. You know, fine thing. Check it out. Ooh, that dress so scandalous, and you know another nigga couldn't handle it. So you're shaking that thing like who's the ish, with a look in your eyes so devilish. You like to dance all the hip hop spots, and you cruise to the cruise like connect the dots. Not just urban, she liked the pop, cause she was living la vida loca. She had dumps like a truck. Thighs like what? Baby, move your butt. I think I'll sing it again. She had dumps like a truck. Thighs like what? All night long. Let me see that thong, baby. That thong. I like it when the beat go, baby, make your booty go. That thong. Listen, that girl so scandalous, and I know another nigga couldn't handle it. And she shaking that thing like who's the ish, with a look in the eyes so devilish. She like to dance on the hip hop spots, and she cruised to the cruise to connect the dots. Not just urban, she liked the pop, cause she was living la vida loca. She had dumps like a truck. Thighs like what? Baby, move your butt. I think I'll sing it again. She had dumps like a truck. Thighs like what? All night long. Let me see that thong, baby. That thong. I like it when the beat go, baby, make your booty go. That thong, yeah. Come on, baby. That thong, said I. All right, that thong. So scandalous, swear another nigga couldn't handle it. So you shaking that thing like who's the bitch? I'm so devilish. You like to dance on the hip hop spots, take a cruise to connect the dots. Not just urban, you like the rock, cause she was living la vida loca. She had dumps on the truck. Sounds like what? Baby, when you butt. Take a sing it again, cause she had dumps on the truck. Sounds like what? Baby, when you butt. Come on. This thing right here is letting all the ladies know what guys talk about. You know, fine thing. Check it out. Ooh, that dress so scandalous, and you know another nigga couldn't handle it. So you're shaking that thing like who's the ish, with a look in your eyes so devilish. You like to dance on the hip hop spots, and you cruise to the cruise to connect the dots. Not just urban, she liked the pop, cause she was living la vida loca. She had dumps like a truck. Thighs like what? Baby, move your butt. I think I'll sing it again. She had dumps like a truck. Thighs like what? All night long. Let me see that thong, baby. And I know another nigga couldn't handle it. And she shaking that thing like who's the ish, with a look in the eye so devilish. Oh, she like to dance on the hip hop spots. And she cruised to the cruise to connect the dots. Not just urban, she liked the pop, cause she was living la vida loca. She had dumps like a truck. Guys like what? Baby, move your butt. I think I'll sing it again. She had dumps like a truck. Guys like what? All night long. Let me see that thong. Baby, that thong. I like it when the beat go. Baby, make your booty go. That thong, yeah. Come on, baby. That thong, said I. Alright, that thong. So scandalous, swear another nigga couldn't handle it. See shaking that thing like who's the bitch? I'm so devilish. You like to dance on the hip hop spots. Take a cruise to connect the dots. Not just urban, you like the rock, cause she was living la vida loca. She had dumps on the truck. Sounds like what? Baby, when you what? Nigga sing it again, cause she had dumps on the truck. Sounds like what? Baby, when you what? Sing it again. Come on. This thing right here is letting all the ladies know what guys talk about. You know, the finer thing in life. Check it out. Ooh, that dress so scandalous, and you know another nigga couldn't handle it. So you're shaking that thing like who's the ish, with a look in your eye so devilish. You like to dance on the hip hop spots, and you cruise to the cruise to connect the dots. Not just urban, she liked the pop, cause she was living la vida loca. She had dumps like a truck. Thighs like what? Baby, move your butt. I think I'll sing it again. She had dumps like a truck. Thighs like what? All night long. Let me see that thong. Baby, that thong. I like it when the beat go. Baby, make your booty go. That thong. Listen, that girl so scandalous, and I know another nigga couldn't handle it. And she shaking that thing like who's the ish, with a look in the eye so devilish. She like to dance on the hip hop spots, and she cruised to the cruise to connect the dots. Not just urban, she liked the pop, cause she was living la vida loca. She had dumps like a truck. Guys like what? Baby, move your butt. I think I'll sing it again. She had dumps like a truck. Guys like what? All night long. Let me see that thong. Baby, that thong. I like it when the beat go. Baby, make your booty go. That thong, yeah. Come on, baby. That thong, said I. Alright, that thong. So scandalous, swear another nigga couldn't handle it. See shaking that thing like who's the bitch? I'm so devilish. You like to dance on the hip hop spots, take a cruise to connect the dots. Not just urban, you like the rock, cause she was living la vida loca. She had dumps on the truck.
Alright, y'all, so this is the final look with the wig that I got from YINXI. I think I forgot the name of the company. I don't feel like going to get my phone, but yeah, this is the final look. I decided to put two little balls with the little cricket part. I seen a picture with Ari, and then this girl recreated this look too, but theirs was shorter, but I just decided to recreate the look too. It came out okay, not because of the wig, it was because of me. This wasn't my best work. I could have blended it a little more. I don't know what was going on today. It is late, so maybe that's, I'm just tired. But yeah, I actually put the wig on too far back, kinda. I put the cap on too far back first, and when I put the wig on, I kind of lined it up with the cap, which was far back. And I caught myself trying to pull it closer, but I mean, you can't really tell, but you know how your hairline kind of starts coming out right here. Well, mine, because the way my hairline is, like my natural hairline is. So some of my natural hair, just a little bit, is just right here. So you know, when you comb in the wig, you might snag your real hair. That's what's going on. But it still came out cute. It looked cute, and it looked really blended on camera, I guess, because y'all can't really see it in person. But it's not bad, it's not horrible. I'm gonna be wearing this wig to Las Vegas, so I'm gonna get a good wear out of it and some good well, it's not hot out there. I was gonna say it's some good heat, but it's not hot out there. But yeah, it's really cute. Like, I really love the curl pattern. It's really soft. It was easy to style. And I'm gonna probably keep playing with it to get it bigger, but as of right now, I'm finna go to sleep, so I'm just about to put a scarf on and yeah, call it a night. So again, y'all, I'm gonna leave the link in the description bar. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below, so if y'all want to purchase this same wig, just go and click that link. It's really cute. It's really cute. I can't wait to just comb it out and like have it big. But all I did was put water, mousse, and I put a little bit of Got To Be spray on the curls. And also I'm tired, y'all, but also I hot combed and put some like a wax stick to get this to lay down really good. And then my edges, I used some Got To Be, the ultra glue in the black container. But yeah, I kind of struggled with doing my edges, like I said, because the wig was kind of far back in this area, and then this little glue kind of, I don't know, but it still came out cute. It's gonna do for my trip that I'm going on. So yeah, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. Make sure y'all follow me on my Instagram. Go do that right now. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, period, because I'm coming with the content this year. I'm coming with the content, and I'm trying to be sponsored by some more hair companies because I want to keep trying different styles. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna do a little 360. Well, no, not 360, but that's all y'all gonna get. Alright, so hope y'all enjoyed this video. See y'all in my next video.